Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
If the gold rate is low in the conductive parts of the devices, oxidation may occur. After applying it, we provide full contact by moving it a little. For this reason, the entire keyboard may not work or a few keys may be faulty. The procedures I will do are very simple, and all my videos that can be applied at home were shot on very advantageous repairs. You should definitely watch it. We will try to fix the problem by just cleaning the flex socket. This is a valid method, because it works on many devices. I will shoot a video of it right now, and I hope we will do a repair together. When we clean the oxides in many parts of our device, we repair many malfunctions. Disassemble our device as you can see in the video and follow me to perform the same steps together. All of our expert staff are waiting for your questions about your tablet, phone, computer and all your electronic devices and are looking forward to answering them.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
We disassemble our keyboard by opening the locks with a sharp object. You can easily do it by following step by step. As a very simple process, you can easily solve your problem by following what I did step by step.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support purposes.
I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help.
Some keys of my keyboard are not working, friends. Can we repair these keys or change our keyboard?
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
We try our device. When we clean the oxides in many parts of our device, we repair many malfunctions. Disassemble our device as you can see in the video and follow me to perform the same steps together. Now we turn on our device again by connecting the electricity again, and we are experimenting. After the repair process, we reassemble our device. Our device is working very stable. Our process is very successful. I recommend it to you.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.